love cold brew coffee? It's so rich and flavorful, much more so than hot drip coffee. But me, I'm busy. I don't have time to make it myself. I have 2 young kids and they are pure chaos. But I love them, so all my attention goes to them, and my wife, and my dog, and my kids, and my car, and the kids, and the yard, and the house, and the kids. And I'm exhausted. I don't have time to make cold brew coffee. So that's why I quit my job. Hi, my name's Joe, and I am the inventor of Astro Brew, the world's most advanced cold brew coffee maker. Join us and get your time back. Enjoy fresh cold brew coffee at home, on your countertop, on demand. It brews fast in only 5 minutes. 34 ounces of cold brew coffee on demand. Revolutionary snowdrop chilling technology, no ice needed. It stores fresh for up to 30 days, and best of all, it's easy to clean. Never ever stand in line again for coffee. Never ever overpay for a cold brew again. Make it yourself at the push of a button. Did you know that cold brew coffee is the most in-demand coffee drink today? In fact, most coffee shops across the US run out before the day is over because it takes so long to make. And why is that? Cold brew is lower in acidity, it's less bitter, and it maintains all the flavor profiles of the coffee bean. It's bolder and more flavorful. It's the smoothest version of the coffee blends you love. But the problem is, it's watered down with ice. It's $7 a cup at the cafe. That comes out to $2,500 per year. So why not make it yourself at home? Traditional cold brew coffee takes up to 24 hours to steep and chill. The grinds sit there in water, stagnant, unmoving, slowly soaking up the water like a wet sponge. It's slow and tedious. But what if you could make it in less than 5 minutes? At home, at the push of a button, already ice cold? That's the magic of Astro Brew. Our accelerated steeping technology produces authentic cold brew coffee in as little as 5 minutes. It first pressurizes the chamber with compressed air. Then, it generates a turbulent cyclone effect in order to encapsulate every single coffee grind in its own pod of water. Finally, it recirculates the cold brew 7 times per minute through the stainless steel coffee filter and back through the coffee grinds again and again. At the end of 5 minutes, the coffee grinds have been exposed to your cold brew over 35 times. Astro Brew quickly chills your beverage in as little as 15 minutes, down to 32 degrees Fahrenheit. It utilizes proprietary snowdrop cooling technology. It's solid state, it's recyclable, it's lightweight, and it works in full sunlight. Enjoy cold brew on the beach or by the pool. No ice necessary. Astro Brew not only makes chilled, authentic, specialty cold brew coffee, it can be used to make iced coffee, cold espresso, iced tea, and cold matcha. Embrace the chaos.